not there? For that one, versioning is very useful or not there? Okay, next one, you're using credit card. I just want to maintain when credit card is registered and when it is lastly accessed and used. What's the use of maintaining when is lastly accessed and used? Someone your stolen your card, he's using here and there. You can go and catch if you have location knowledge and what timestamp knowledge, na boss. That's why you observe every time it will keep track of where that credit card is used and what is the place where that is being used. Some services are there, possibility is there. So based on the time frame and location, mm, suppose for one time it happened to me also. I lost my credit card in the ATM center, not credit card, it's a debit card. Okay, in the ATM center, and up those days, some tap services are there up to some amount. There is no need of entering the PIN number kind of thing. You just tap it up to some amount. That's why I lost it. Someone taken it and used it here and there. But that time I have not realized. Okay. So then he has gone to one good restaurant. He has swiped the card, paid the amount, and waiting for the food delivery because he want to take parcel kind of thing. Okay. So somehow there are Google, that website, this website, we tracked the location. So we have gone there. I just collected the card. I said thank you and come back. I have not fought with him because it's my mistake, right? If I argue with what he will say, okay, I got the card. Whom I should give? He will say, whom I should give. I simply said, taken the parcel, fine, thank you, and I come back. So it's possible because someone is tracking care of, keeping track of metadata. When record is lastly accessed and what used. Yeah. Now where is this? 718. Okay, that's good. Launch it. Yes, guys. Spring Boot starter project. I think everyone is aware of tomorrow's plan, guys. What's the tomorrow's plan? 9 to 11 Spring Boot Apache Kafka. Apache means Apache, not CHI. Okay. Yeah. In resume, no spell mistake, no grammatical mistakes are allowed. Check twice, thrice before you finalize your content of what resume. One spell mistake in technical stack will give wrong feeling about your technology knowledge. One spell mistake in your other details or grammatical mistake in other detail will give wrong feeling about you for in the HR mind or in non-technical people's mind. So it has to be perfect means perfect. Check the grammar, check the spells. And when you are mentioning versions of the software, make sure that there is a compatibility among those versions. Java 24, Tomcat 9, okay, Spring Boot 5 is wrong combination. Java 24 is not compatible with what? Spring 5 and Tomcat 9. So you have to check the compatibility among the versions. And some people will keep such a version in that year that is not released also, but this fellow keeps it because he copy pasted from someone's resume. Your friend latest project has become 3-year-old back project for you because you are searching for that project, you liked it, copy pasted. Latest means all latest versions will be there. So you kept Tomcat 11, Spring Boot 3.5.5. Okay, you copied pasted as it is as a 3 years old back project. Question number one, 3 years back Tomcat 11 is there, question mark. 3 years back Spring Boot 3.5.5 is there, not there. So there you will be caught red-handedly. People will laugh at you in the background like anything. Okay, so be careful when you are writing tech stack with versions. Tech stack with what? Versions. Be careful. Especially the people who are trying to show gap as experience. Check the compatibility is there or not there. Yeah. Boot IOC pros. How much? Still 7 only? Okay. Versioning. What is there? Time stamping. Versioning, time stamping, and metadata. Okay, all these are fine. Say next. Say next. 1 minute. Lombok is required. Okay, configuration processor to get the metadata about all the things. Next one. Spring Data JPA. Okay, I want to talk with MySQL. MySQL. Anything you can take, guys. Yeah. Say next. Save finish. Say next. Save finish. Yes. Here I would like to take bank account or caller tune. Airtel caller tune is there now. First 3 times free. Or Geo caller tune. First 3 time caller tune change is free. After that they charge money or not there. So that time versioning is very useful. And I want to keep track of when caller tune is registered and when it is lastly accessed and modified. Or bank account also you can take whatever you want you can take. For withdraw deposit balance will change here and there, right? Yes. Okay, in memory is over. Where is 7, Ra? I think I have taken. I think Butte IOC I have taken. Let's change. What is there? Boot data JPA. Boot data JPA. Pros 7. Metadata application. That's good. Say next. Say next to finish. Hmm. Here is my resources. I think resources I can copy from any other project except this. Remaining everything else I can copy now, my dear. Come on. Yeah, that's good. Application dot properties paste. Here is what? Application dot properties paste, guys. That's really there. It's really there, guys. Yeah, followed by this, what's there? Versioning and timestamp application, guys. Okay, let's take some packages. Let's take packages. Yeah, can you guess what are the packages I have to take, guys? com.nt.entity. That's one thing. Next, new package com.nt.repository. com.nt.repository. Next package com.nt. Service. com.nt.service. Next, runner I have to take now, boss. New package com.nt.runners. 1 minute I have to ask one meeting ID for tomorrow's this one. Yeah, yeah. So that's right. Okay, now I have to develop this one. Yeah, property file is ready now. Oh, that's good. 1 minute. Driver class name, not H2 database, guys. Oracle related one. Oracle dot. Oh, we are dealing with MySQL. Com dot MySQL dot driver. Next, equal to JDBC colon MySQL colon NTSPBMS SPBMS. Tell me 717 DB 718 DB user root dialect dot MySQL 8 dialect. Okay, true auto update. In memory DB, I need not to decide the port number. There is no need of enabling console because it's not in memory DB. Now, why should I enable console? No need of enabling console. That's good. Fine. Okay. So now I am coming to actual story. Now create not package class. What is the one I am taking, guys? Bank account. The take bank account. Tell me. Bank account dot Java. Bank account dot Java at the rate entity at the rate table. Name is equal to JPA underscore. Okay, bank underscore account. If you don't like what you can do, class name itself becomes account name. Okay, let's continue with that. This one. So far, we have not seen that sagana taking class name as table name. Okay, at the rate data. That's good. Okay, private long ACCNO account number at the rate ID. At the rate generated value. At the rate generated value. Generator is equal to sequence. No, that is Gen 1. I think what is the name we are taking nowadays generally? Generator is equal to Gen 1. Strategy is equal to sequence. Here I will take sequence generator. Okay, name is equal to Gen 1. Tell me, initial value, a big number. What is there? Allocation size 1. 1 at a time you increment. Okay, persistence dot ID. Tell me, string name, account holder name. If you take under holder name, if you take uppercase N, it will become column name underscore name, holder underscore name. If you take like this, it will come as a single word. That's up to you what you want to do. If you take like this, holder underscore name, it becomes. Yeah, I'm not taking column name, guys. I'm just trying to control the column length. Length is equal to 30. What is their address? Address is what? 30. Next. Okay. Double balance. Balance. Double balance. Array for uh, numeric columns, we cannot control the length. Only string columns, we can control the length. Fine. Okay. These are the data properties, guys. What properties? Data properties. Yes, here are my metadata properties. Here are my metadata properties. Yeah, tell me next one. Metadata proper. Yeah, metadata properties. Private integer, updation count. How many times the record is modified? At the rate version. That's it. If you want to link this property to a certain column, you can go for that column, but not required. With the update under updation underscore count will come. That's fine. This is for versioning property, guys. Private local date time creation creation time creation time at the rate create timestamp. What, guys? Create timestamp. That's good. Okay, now here I'm doing one thing interesting, guys. At the rate column size I am not controlling because I don't know how much data and time it will take. Okay, but I'm trying to control insertable true, allow insert operation, updatable false. Don't allow update operation. See, when record is inserted, creation date and time will be registered. That's an act of record insertion. And I don't want to see any kind of update operation on this column. Why? Because it has to hold creation date and time, right? But when it comes to what this one, it has to allow insertion 0 and record inserted 0. Whenever record is loaded and modified by one, by one, by one, it has to support both. But here I want to support only insert activity, no update activities, right? Next one, private local date time, update time or last access time. What time, guys? Last access time. Yeah, tell me next one, guys. Update timestamp. What's timestamp, guys? Update timestamp. Insertable is equal to false. No insertion in that. When record is inserted, this column should not get anything. But whenever record is updated, this column should be updated. 10 times updated, it has to hold 10 times last access date and time. It has to hold 10 times last access date and time. Are you getting my point there, guys? That's good. That's fine. Last access time. This is one metadata. This is for a timestamp. This is for versioning. Versioning feature. This is for what feature, guys? Timestamp feature. This is also for what feature, guys? Timestamp feature. For timestamp feature, how many annotation? 2 annotate. Okay, that's good. Now tell me next one. More metadata properties I want to take. Number one, another one. Private string created by. What is there? Created by. Private string created by. Tell me, what's their story? At the rate column length is equal to 30. Yeah, tell me next one. Private string updated by. At the rate this. Tell me. Column length is equal to 30. Length is equal to 30. Yeah, I'm trying to created by updated by username. If it is real application, login username password. But right now it's a standalone, no login username password. At least I can go for Windows username and pass. At least Windows username I can place na boss. If not password, at least Windows username boss. Yeah. Okay. Can we write column name in this column? Sir, my dear Mr. Javier, please attend classes effectively. If you don't mention column name, property name becomes column name or not there. Property name itself becomes column name. If property is having mixed case, tell me, mixed case, underscore symbol will come wherever mixed case started or not there. Yeah, that's fine. We are getting data properties and metadata. Why they are called metadata? They don't have real data. They hold information about that real data. They don't hold real data. They hold more information about that real data. Interesting or not there? They hold more information about that what? Real data. Okay, that's great. But we cannot, we can, but can we take explicitly? That's why I'm asking. You can take a hello boss. Hello boss, I'm removing you from the meeting. When you want new package, we need to create, just click on create class, then only package. I know Ra Babu, fine. He's saying that why are you creating package separately while creating a class mention package name? No, a good programmer first creates the packages, then adds content to it. You don't create the package before creating the class, right? That's why. Okay. People says I don't know anything in Java kind of thing. Right. What is underscore CD fields? I don't know, boss. What do you mean by underscore CD? I never heard. Maybe underscore CD. I don't know, boss. I don't know what you got, where you got. You give me total information, then I can analyze and tell what is that. Randomly, if you ask underscore CD, I don't know with respect to your project, what is the meaning of that? I don't know. Okay. Yeah, we can take it, boss. We can take it. What's the meaning? If you don't mention column name, okay, property name become column name. And how the hell you can ask this question in the entire first project, second project? We have explicitly decided the column names now. What the hell you are observing, Mr. Who asked this question? Lalan Yadav. Mr. Lalan Yadav, you are still behaving like a kid eating butter. Fine. First project we have done like that only, right? So I want to break the rhythm. When I don't give column name, table name, what happens? So I want to show property names as column name, class name as what? Table name. That's why I have introduced this, right? Okay. Yeah, fine, boss. To make our process easy, guys, what I do is no arg constructor, that's fine. All arg constructor, that's even good. Okay, except account number anyhow generated dynamically. That's why I take what? Non-null properties. What properties? Non-null properties. Copy this. Tell me. Paste. Tell me this. What is there? Paste. Yeah, then sir, why are you not taking null on metadata? You don't do anything in metadata. They come automatically. Maximum metadata properties you need not to set. From as an end user, you need not to pass the data. They will be generated through application or database side. Okay. Or from Hibernate side, their values are decided. Okay, that's why I'm not taking non-null for metadata properties. Tell me. And moreover, one, two metadata values are not there. I don't mind also. I really don't mind. Required arg constructor. Yeah, before coming to tomorrow's class, I request everyone to go through Spring Boot JMS. Okay. Spring Boot JMS. I want that knowledge a lot because Spring Boot Apache Kafka is given extension of what? Spring Boot JMS. Please go through that and come. Okay, guys. This is the story here, guys. This is the story over here. This is my application.properties file, guys. Okay. That's good, great, fantastic. Yeah, we are ready with this, guys. Now let's go to repository interface. Yeah, what's the best repository interface, guys? JPA. We can work with all predefined methods of all three famous repository interface. And anyhow, provision is there to add our own things also. Custom methods also. iBank, iBank account repository. iBank account repository. Next. What is there? JPA repository. Finish. What repository? JPA repository. Here is what? Bank account. Here is what? Long. One side bank account, one side long. iBank account repository dot Java. What dot Java? iBank account repository dot Java. That's fine. That's good. Yeah. Tell me next one. This is entity. This is repository. Yeah. Let's go for service. A bank account opening means creating account, right? That will make you to insert the record. Next. Withdraw deposit will make you to update the record. Withdraw money, deposit money. These things will definitely make you to update the record or not there. Okay, that's good. Great. Yeah, let's see. Look, come here. Where is this interface? Yeah, what is there? Bank management. Okay, bank operations. Bank management service. Bank management service. That's good. Yeah, tell me. Public string. What string, guys? Public string. Open account. What account? Account. What is there? Bank account. Account. Public string. Open account. Bank account. Account. Yeah, you can get it as an object, boss, or you can pass individual details. You can create object on your own. That's up to you. Fine, I want to pass object only by collecting the details from end user or by creating object using param constructor, parameterized constructor. So let's focus on this activity first. Remaining activities we'll see later. Okay, now I have to take implementation class here or not there. New class, tell me. Bank management. Service IMPL. Interface. iBank management service. iBank management service. Service, guys. Let me inject the repository because I have a business logic to do. I want to do some business logic, guys. That's why I'm taking it, right? Private iBank account repository. Account repo. What repo? Account repo. Auto void. Auto void. That's good. iBank repository auto void. Private iBank account repository, account repo, public string, open account, bank account, account. Public string, bank account, account. That's fine. Next one, what is there, guys? Into count is equal to bank account repo dot. What repo dot? Account repo dot save. Okay, what is there? Account. 1 minute. Here, long ACNO is equal to get ACNO. That gives an object. From there, I'm using the generated account number or not. Yeah, tell me. Bank account is opened. What is there? Opened. Okay, having account number. What number? Having account number. Having account number ACN. Having account number ACN. That's good, great. Having account number ACNO. Is that clear, guys? Come on, everyone. Yeah, open bank account. Open account is there. Lalan Yadav, transient is not there to save the data. If you don't want to do something to get saved in individual. Sir, why are you bringing transient now, Lalan? Are you out of brain today? Eradicate metadata columns. Either you can take another entity metadata element collection to save data in child table. Lalan, last warning. Still, I have not introduced association and collection mapping. Why are you bringing into that? Lalan, what's your problem, my dear? Lalan, why are you disturbing everyone's learning process? That's the one thing. Moreover, you are taking metadata not to work with that, guys. It is there in object. It is there in object. Using or not using, it's your choice, right? Understanding my statement, guys. See, metadata is not used by end user, not expected from end user. They are automatically generated ones, right? And more importantly, yes, sir, that was his question. That's why I replied. Lalan Yadav, that is not the correct answer. Don't become, don't waste knowledge of others by giving off knowledge answers. Right? His question is what? Metadata properties are there. I don't want to work with them. My question is metadata, we don't pass the data. They are dynamically generated ones, either from database or from what? Application logic or from what? These Hibernate Spring Data features. You don't set them. You don't get them from end user, right? There's no question of you disabling them, right, boss? There's no question of you disabling them. No, sir. While presenting data to end user, I don't want to have them. You don't call those getter methods while displaying data. Or what you can do, you can take one more Java bean called VO class. What class? Value object class to carry only data inputs, data outputs. I'll introduce that at right time. I'll introduce that VO class at right time. For the time being, you keep it. For everything, there's an incremental process of learning. Moreover, see, property is already there. You don't want to see in persistence transient. But you are taking metadata properties for your internal information about records, right? And moreover, we don't set data to that. That is automatically generated data, right, guys? Okay, before calling save, see boss, version it will take care, timestamp it will take care, but created by, updated by, and active switch, we should take care now, boss. We should take care, right? Okay, just a minute. iBank account created by, updated by, I will take care. There is something called active switch. Private string, active switch. Array, this record is in active mode or inactive mode? I'm taking it as a string, guys. Tell me. At the rate column, length is equal to 10 and default value is equal to what? Enabled or disabled? Default value is equal to enabled. Because by default, I want to see that record in what? Enabled state. Something is, you want to disable through dynamically, we change it as what? Inactive. Otherwise, you don't want to say enable, disable. Let's keep active, inactive. Let's keep what, guys? One side active, another side what? Inactive. Yeah, that's good. Bank management service, guys. Open account. Yeah, that's good. Tell me here. For a few things, we have to set the value. Account dot set created by system dot get property. Okay, user dot name. Current logged in Windows username I am setting, guys. No, right now I need not to set value to updated by. Why? Because record is not in updation mode. Record is in what? Creation mode. Everyone getting my point there, guys? Come on. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good. So this is done. Active switch anyhow by default active is there. By default active will be inserted. Fine. Okay, let me check whether it is happening or not. Where is this, guys? Runners stuff. What is there? Runners stuff. com.nt.runners class here. What is the one I have to go for? Versioning. Versioning and timestamp test runner. Versioning and timestamp test runner. Okay, there what I'm taking is what? Command line runner. What runner, guys? Command line runner. Okay, that's good. At the rate component. That's great. Tell me here, what is there? Private. What's there? Private. Tell me. I bank account repository service. What service? Bank service. What service, guys? Bank service. At the rate auto void. Simply, literally, what is there? At the rate auto void. That's great, guys. Come on. At the rate auto void. iBank management service, bank service. iBank management service, bank service. Here is my what? Try block. What block, guys? Simply, literally, what block? Try block. Tell me, guys. String message is equal to. Yeah, before that, first of all, let me create bank account is equal to new bank account of not that much lengthy constructor is required, boss. We are just looking for some holder name Raja. What is there? Address is there? Address, okay. And amount in balance. When we open the account, some initial balance will be there or not there. When you open the account, some initial balance is there. String message is equal to bank service dot open account system dot out dot println message. Where is this? Catch exception E. Okay, E dot print stack trace. New bank account of Raja Hyderabad this. Message this. System dot out dot println message. That's great. End of the main method. End of the class. We are ready with this story, boss. Yeah. So let's check whether version column, what you will get 0 because now updation. Creation timestamp, current date and time will be inserted. Update timestamp, null, nothing will be inserted. Created by current username. I think Natraz is there. Who is the login username in this system? Okay, Natraz is there. That fellow name will come, right? Next one, updated by, we have not set any value. Okay, now active switch, default value active. That active will come or not there. Default value active, that value will come or not there, guys. That's good, right? Okay, right click, run as Java application. I think runner you have to, no, you have to click on main method. You have to click on main method, guys. Run as a Java application. Check it out. Table is created. Helper table is created to bring the effect of sequence. Insert into gen1 value, something is there. Select this. Now tell me, boss, what's happening? It is inserting value along with the metadata, guys. Okay, and account is opened having account number, some number has come. That's good. Tell me next one. MySQL workbench. MySQL workbench. Yeah, that's great. What's your logical database, guys? 718 DB. Tables, bank underscore account, select rows. Check it out. Account number, active, switch active, address, alphabetic order wise they are coming. Created by, maybe that is not coming properly, fine, no problem. D is missed in the property name. Creation time stored, holder name Raja, last access time, not there because I said update is equal to false. Updated by false, update count, version count is what? 0. It like this for every record, there will be data properties and metadata properties now, boss. Interesting or not there? So now I want to check whether this updation is incremented by 1 whenever I modify the record or not. So now let me do this withdraw, deposit, transfer money operation to check whether things are happening as expected or not. First, we'll try to do with deposit and withdraw, guys. That will make you to update the balance. Accordingly, the changes are reflecting or not, we have to check. Accordingly, the changes are what? Reflecting or not, we will check, guys. So now let's go for it. Yeah, where is this entity, boss? Yeah, this is my service, iBank management service, guys. This is my iBank management service. Tell me, this is a public string. Okay, withdraw, long account number, double amount. Long account number, double amount. That's great. Yeah, come to this. Withdraw, guys. Long account number, double this. Long account number, double deposit. Okay, by keeping future requirements in mind, what I want to do is I would like to return Boolean value. Boolean. True means success, failure means phase. True means success, false means failure. Yeah, public string withdraw. Ah, yeah, I'll change. I'll change Boolean. Is there any method that performs update operation directly? No. So I need to write one custom query in a boss. This makes me to write one custom query or not there. Okay, that's good. Yeah. So before that, I will do find by ID to check whether record is there or not there. First of all, I have to check now boss, whether record is there or not there. Or you can do like this. Okay, fine. We'll go by this. We will go by this, guys. Don't worry. We'll directly go by custom query only. This is my iBank account repository, guys. Public int. Tell me, withdraw, withdraw money, withdraw money. Okay, withdraw money. Something long account number. Tell me, double amount. This is a declaration of the method. First of all, at the rate query, update bank account, set balance is equal to balance minus amount, where ACNO is equal to 1 minute. Balance minus colon amount, where ACNO is equal to ACN. Where ACNO is equal to ACNO. That's good. Yeah, tell me next one. At the rate modify. Okay. At the rate transactional. I'm looking for do everything or nothing kind of thing. This is done, my dear. Come to this service IMPL. Yeah. Use repo. What is there? Use repo. Use repo. You have to use repo, guys. When version is there in the record for updation, if you just pass number, that is not enough. You have to pass what? You have to even pass version number also. What number? So, but version number is not there because we are just passing what this. So, and moreover for update operation also. Hmm. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm trying with this one. Let's see. I think it's better to update the object by using save method. Then only it will recognize the changes. 1 minute, I'm changing my plan, guys, little bit. Okay, no more custom method. I'm changing my plan little bit. Wait a minute. Okay. Deposit, that's fine. Withdraw, that's good. Use repo. First, I'm trying to get the bank account, guys. Yeah, account is equal to account is equal to tell me. Yeah, tell me. Bank repo dot account repo na fine. Account repo dot what is there? Find by ID ACNO. Find by ID ACNO or else throw. Yeah, what is there? Or else throw. Or else throw to New runtime exception. New runtime exception. Invalid. Anything illegal argument and anything you can take. New runtime exception. Invalid account number. What number, guys? But this can be done like this only. Throw new. Okay. This is how we have to throw the exception or not. If not there, are throwing exception, guys. If there. So if their next lines will execute or not there. Tell me, boss, account dot. Hare, when you're loading, along with that version number also will be loaded now, boss. It actually internal uses version number and ID both properties as criteria values to update the record. So when you load the record, you will get version number also. Come on. Tell me, guys. Account dot set balance is equal to update the object. Simply try to update the object. Tell me. Account dot get balance minus account dot what, guys? Get balance minus. Tell me. Account dot account dot get balance minus amount na, my dear. Yeah, amount. That's good. Okay, now tell me, guys. Account dot set set yeah, see, guys, updation timestamp will execute automatically, but updated by one property is there na, boss. So actually username we have to mention, but right now there is no username password for this project. That's why I'm keeping what Windows username password are not there. Okay, guys, system dot get property user dot name. System dot get property user dot name. Yeah, I got it. Okay. Now I have to update the object or not there. Update the object. Yeah. Okay, since I changed entire plan, guys, I think I can give the update message directly here as a string only, na? Saying that this updation is done. Okay. Here also this updation is done. Update the object. Yeah, tell me here, where is this? Account repo dot, one repo dot save. What is there? Account repo dot save account. That's fine. Yeah, here is what, guys? What is there? Bank account. No. Yeah. Amount plus amount is withdrawn. What, guys? Withdrawn from the account. From the account. Where is this, guys? ACN. From the account number ACN. From the account number ACNO. That's good. Yeah. We successfully completed withdraw activity here, guys. Okay, now we want to check. When I do withdraw operation, okay, the metadata properties are updated accordingly or not. I'll use the same account number that is there already, boss. Okay. Yeah, string message is equal to bank service dot open account withdraw long account number. Copy this, say paste. What's the amount, guys? 5,000. System dot out dot println message. What is this? Catch exception E. E dot print stack trace. Okay. Now I want to print the message, guys. That's fine. Okay. E dot print stack trace. Okay. Now I'm taking one more method, guys. Only to check how many, at what time it is created, at what time it is lastly accessed and updated, how many times it is updated. Only having that information. Okay. Now let's see public bank account. Okay. Tell me get account details. Long account number. Long account number. Get account details. Yeah, bank management service IMP. Long account number. That's great. Hmm. Tell me, this method just written that. Written account. What's there? A written account. If there it returns, otherwise it throws exception, guys. That's fine. Hmm. Okay, here bank account is equal to account is equal to bank service dot. Okay, show account details. How many zeros? 3, 4, 8, 4 zeros. This 4, 4. Okay, 9 has come. Okay, I displayed account number, guys. Tell me. System dot out dot println. Account created on. Account created on. Tell me. Account dot get creation time. Okay. Next, last accessed on account dot get last access time dot modified for what's there, guys? Account dot get updation count times. Get updation time. Get updation time times, guys. That's it. Account created on this, last accessed on this. Okay. It's happened, boss. iBank management service. iBank management service IMPL. Okay. Boot IOC PROS 7 versioning and timestamping metadata application. Okay. That's good. Great. Super, guys. bank management service IMPL, versioning and timestamping. Okay. Okay, that's great. Fantastic. So now let's do what we expecting is happening or not. Let's see, guys. 5,000 amount withdrawn from account number, some number. Okay. Account created on this date. Last accessed on 1447. 56,444. Account is created. Last accessed on what? 1447. So that means 1956. Here what? 2014. So that means some time gap is there or not there. How many times it got modified, guys? Am I doing these changes manually, guys? No. Check it out. One came, updated by Natras has come. Last access time also filled up with some time. Did you notice that? Last access time also filled up with some time. Did you notice that, guys? Okay, that's fine. Like this, metadata activities are also kept tracked or not there. Okay, now you again try to modify, guys. Sir, check withdrawal amount is less than or not. Array, that is not our kite right now, Ra Babu. Okay. Right now, that is not our criteria. Our criteria is what? Record is modified or not. When you are developing serious bank application, that's a different story, right? So right now, focus is not on that. Focus is on what? Mr. Dudekla. Okay. Shivakumar are need to have. Yeah, that has to be checked in a real business logic. That has to be checked. Right now, my focus is not on that. My focus is on whenever I modify account, whether metadata column values are what updated or not. That actually matters for me. That actually really matters for me, right, my dear? Come on. Okay, that's good. Yeah, iBank management. Same thing I have to do for deposit also, guys. Okay, but before that, let's run the same application one more time with a with different amount to withdraw. Suppose I will take some thousand rupees only. Yeah, right now I have not checked balance and other stuff. That's a negative balance also may come. So there are some bank accounts having OD facility, overdrafting facility. Though you don't have balance, they will pass the checks. They calculate interest on it. They definitely calculate what? Interest on it. Run as Java application, guys. Run as Java application, guys. Yeah. Again, same thing is coming. This time you check it out. Refresh. Okay. Update count 2 is coming. It is changed to 1727. Okay. That means how many times you modify, those many times it is updating the version count or not there. Are we doing or Hibernate is on automatically taking care of? At least now you got the idea about what is data and what is metadata, guys. Okay, what is data and what is metadata? You clearly understood this mechanism or not there, guys? Okay, that's great. Fine. Okay, now let's try for deposit activity, guys. What activity I have to try for deposit? So now let's try for it. Bank service IMPL. So first of all, I need to go for what? This. Not this. This one. Deposit. What is there, guys? Deposit. Long account number, double amount. Bank service IMPL. What IMPL, guys? Bank service IMPL. Metadata definition type thing. Lalan Yadav, metadata means data about data, not data definition. Data about data. Already record is there. For that, regarding that record, more information. That record created at this time, updated at this time, created by this fellow, updated by this fellow, these many days updated, right? No, that is not data definition, Rababu. Please, if you don't know, keep quiet. Don't create a new things. Data definition means what? Create table, alter table. So create table, alter table is related to getting more information about record. Muddy fellow. All of a sudden, from where you landed, Ra? These many days I have not seen your name also. Old fellow only or outsider? Ah, muddy fellows. From which dunya you landed, Ra? I never seen your name so far. From which dunya you landed, Ra? I never seen your name so far. From which dunya you landed, Ra? I never seen your name so far. From which dunya you landed, Ra? I never seen your name so far. From which dunya you landed, Ra? I never seen your name so far. I never seen your name so far. What you know is not subject. There is a common thing that you have to. Data definition means it's all about DDL queries, data definition language queries, create table, drop table, alter table. Okay, these are called data definitions, right? Data means actual information. Metadata means more information about existing information. What's happening in this version timestamping and other areas is metadata, not data definition. Data definition means create table, drop table, alter table. Is it happening there? Please. It's not your bad, your overconfidence. Sorry. Okay. Public string deposit, long account number, this one. Tell me, go to service IMPL. Yeah, here you come to with this place. You come to this place, guys. Paste. Yeah, tell me, withdraw double amount, but it should be changed to what? Deposit. Okay, same. Get balance plus amount. Remaining all are same na boss? Yeah, amount is deposited into the account number ACN. Fine. Go to the runner, guys. Go to the runner. Okay, fine. Copy this, paste it. Here is what? Deposit, guys. Yeah, I'm using same account number. You can create one more account and you can play with that also. Message, show account details. Account created on this, last accessed on this, modified for how many number of times. Okay, that's good. Right click, guys. 1,000 rupees should be deposited into account or not. Run as Java application. Run as Java application. That's good. Yes, guys. Okay, now let's see what's happening here. Refresh. Refresh. Account number this. Active address Hyderabad. Balance what? 8,400. Natraz creation time this. Holder name is this. Updated by this. Since withdraw is also happened, it is changed to what this. Earlier, I think it was 8,300 something is there. So now 83,000. Now it has become 84 na boss. Okay, now let's plan something for transfer money operation. It's a combination of how many operation? Two. Withdraw from source account, deposit into destination account. Shall we try that? Yes. Public string. What is there? Transfer money. Public string transfer money. Long source ACNO. Long dest ACNO. Double amount. Long source account number, destination account number, double amount. This is what we are taking or not there. Yeah, that's great. Here is what this. It's a combination of withdraw and deposit now, boss. It's a combination of withdraw and what? Deposit. It's a combination of withdraw and deposit. String message one is equal to message. I think I need not to capture the messages also. If anything account number not there, I'm going at exception. Come on, guys. If anything not there, exception is coming. Okay, that's fine. Exception comes, operation will be stopped automatically. Yeah. Now here, where is the story, guys? Use, okay, other service methods. It's a combination of two things now, boss. Yeah. Yeah, tell me, guys. Same this one. Withdraw from source account. What's the account number? SRCNO amount. Yeah, next one. Deposit. Deposit. Destination account number amount. Destination account number amount. Are you getting my point there, guys? Withdraw source account number. Deposit what? Destination account number. Yeah, both messages are done or not done, guys. Definitely both messages are done or not done, guys. One is withdraw, other one is what? Deposit. One is withdraw, other one is what? Deposit. Yeah, that's good. If both happen successfully, smoothly, without exception, I have tried the message now, boss. Yeah. Amount is transferred from source account number to destination account. Amount is transferred from source account number to destination account number. We are writing confirmation there, guys. Okay, because of this, record is modified twice or once. No, boss, record modified once. But for that one, first of all, we need to have two accounts now, boss. But so far, we have developed only one record in our application, right? So first of all, I need to have what? Each record one time, but overall two records are affected. Yeah, first of all, let me go to the runner, boss. Comment this withdraw deposit, guys. Comment this withdraw deposit, guys. Yeah, this is what? Bank account. Let me create another account. This account belongs to Rani. This Rani belongs to Delhi. Long distance relationship. Okay. Some 10,000 balance is there. 1 lakh. Fine, rich girl, what we can do? Okay, run as Java application. Yeah, something has come. Yeah, again, zero. Only created by all back to original things. So, generally tell me, Raja transfers money to Rani or Rani transfers to Raja? It's again, division of opinion is there. Okay, fine. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now tell me what is there? Try here. Yeah. Anyhow, girls' common statement. My money is my money. Others' money also my money. Right? Okay. Tell me. Exception E. Print stack trace. Exception E. Print stack trace. String message is equal to bank service dot. What service dot? Transfer money. Out 8 zeros. Am I right? 8 zeros came up. 3 plus 3, 6, 8. Tell me, next one. 3 plus 3, 7 zeros, 1. Okay. Raja Rani. Source account is Raja Rani. Okay, some 1200 rupees. 12,000, fine, whatever it is. Or whatever the number, fine. Okay. String message. What message, guys? String message. We are ready with this or not? This? That's good. Right click. Run as Java application. 12,000 is transferred from one account to another account. Yeah, this will change by 1 and this will change by 4. Check it out. 1 and 4 is coming. And how much? 12,000 removed from 84,000. So it has come 72,000. And Rani has become more rich. Okay, fine. Okay, that's good. Yeah, fine. But one problem is there in this. You try to solve your problem on your own. If you are not getting any idea, I will give solution in next class. What is that? I'm giving one number which is not there. One account number not there. This fellow trying to transfer to some other number which is not there. Okay, na? Now source is there, destination not there. Source completes, destination throws exception. Is it a bad na, boss? Where the money gone? Withdrawn from Raja account, not deposited into destination account. Then Rani comes and do auditing. 12,000 deducted, not came to my account, not gone to others account, where it has gone. Not only Rana, it's a problem for Raja also, right? Money gone to other account means you can recover, but not gone anything. It's a bad designing of the application or not there. Let's see. Okay, this needs a transaction management support or not. Do everything or nothing. Reverse also problem was. Reverse problem means not for account holder, for bank it's a problem. Not deposit from source account, not withdrawn from source account, but deposit into destination account. And everyone wants to open account in that bank again and again or not there. Not deposit, not removed from source, but deposit into destination. It's a good news from customer, but it's a bad news for what? Bank. Bank will collapse just like that or not there. Right click, guys, run as Java application. No doubt, exception comes. Exception comes and we think that, oh, nothing happened. Nothing happened. See, update is happening on source account now, boss. Look at the sad part. Okay, 12,000 gone, 60. Where that money gone? Not. I don't know. So for this one, solution is what? Transaction management. How to do the transaction management? I'm going to discuss in what? Next class. I think I created a proper setup for understanding transaction management, guys. So our next class will be on what? Transaction management. Okay, guys, we will see how to do that work in next class. Are you ready for that? But when that next class happens on transaction management, Monday. So tomorrow and Sunday we are busy with what? Common topic. And you have to log in with which link? Common topics link. What is that common topics link, my dear? What is that common topics link, guys? Yeah, this, guys, this. My system, you are telling last. Great. Hmm. What is there? 17th July, 5th June. Yeah, Spring Data JPA. I hope we completed metadata versioning time stamping, but I created a situation of what? Explaining the need of transaction management. We'll understood end-to-end transaction management when we meet in what? Next session. And we'll solve that problem. We'll happily try to solve that problem. Okay. Where is this, guys?